everyone, I thought I'd show you the results of my further shopping addiction. So this one is actually from ZaraZuzu Craft Supplies, and they've got a welcome code as well, which you can use when you join. So like I said, I'll check whether or not I'm able to put that on my description box, and obviously there you go, so you've got all the information. It's super cute little packaging. I did rip into all the paper as I was getting excited to show everyone what I've got. So let's empty this out on my desk and I'll show you all the bits and pieces. So I've got these two super cute headbands. Well, there was 4 in total because it's the, I'll get into it when I can. Well packaged, obviously. So I got these headbands because they're already pre-lined, and I thought they'd be perfect for sewing beads into, because I've got tons and tons of beads, but I don't use them very often because I don't have these styles to attach them to. So I got some of those in the like the pink and white colours because I've got a lot of those kind of beads. And then I got this really pretty tool with the flowers, so I thought I'd play around with that. And obviously it's me, I had to get all the colours, so you can see all the colours there. Got to find space for all of this as well, you see. And then I got some interesting materials, and these are ones I was excited about. I have the adapter plates from my Sizzix Big Shop, so I can use thinlets with my die. So they also sell these thinlet templates. So I've got this little elf one, and I've got these cute little intricate butterflies. So I thought I could cut some of my material and see what I could make with those as well. So I'm excited about those. And then I've got these 2 fur ones because, again, I've got an idea for a tutorial, and I needed the exact right type of material to make my little plans, my little fluffies. So I've got this like mustardy, autumny kind of colour, and this cute like dusky pink. And then again, can't buy one colour when they've got more options. So I've got this bright pink like holographic leopard, and then I've got the matching red version, and I've got this this is amazing, it's like a velvet feel. I've got these in a few colours, so I've got like this teal, like this peachy pink. I'm not describing the right colours, by the way, you won't find them under the website under that, you'd have to look yourself, I can't remember off the top of my head. And like this crushed pink. And then I've got these butterfly ones. So I've got these, look at these. How pretty are those? There we go. It is quite thin. I do believe this was a set. Yes, it was a set. It was £3 for £5. They are quite thin, but I am a big one for pinch bows. So these are absolutely amazing for pinch bows because they are so easy to do, whether or not you're doing it freehand or whether or not you're doing it with like die cuts. So I really like those. And then I've got these again. I just like slightly different alternative fabrics. I don't like just having like one style of thing. So I've got these. It's like got this really pretty sparkle. It's like a suede-y effect. But I'll put the link in the description box below for you to be able to order from ZaraZuzu. Look at this colour. Look at this perfect autumn colour. And then I was being a bit boring, so I just got some basic like Halloween-y colours. So that's all my order. Like I said, so many things. So pretty. Loving the idea of my thinlets to cut with these. And all my pretty tool. So yes, now I've just got to find a space for all this because my embellishment boxes and my supply boxes are getting a bit overrun to the point where I've just had to buy new ones. Thanks for watching. Bye.